Good afternoon, ma'am.
ma'am. Correct homework means chapter number 4.
Yes,
the fairy
ma'am.
wine. Have you got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now, beta. Okay, beta. I got it. Okay. Actually, by mistake in the 6th class, I have sent your homework, the fairy wife, and I thought you must have not got that 6th class chapter, the tense. Okay. Look at the board. This is written the tense. Okay. Nobody will write. Okay. Just see what I'm writing on the board. Okay. Nobody will write now. Suppose beta, a new student has come in the class. Okay, so I'm starting from the beginning. Okay, suppose it is written beta, I see somebody. Okay, I see somebody. It is written. Okay, I see somebody. Look at the next sentence. I saw somebody. Okay, look beta. I see somebody is written and I saw somebody is written. Okay. Is there any difference, beta? Vritti, is there any difference?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what is the difference?
Ma'am.
Okay. Look, beta. In this first sentence, see is a verb. Okay. In the second sentence, saw is a verb. Okay. In the first sentence, see is a verb, and in the second sentence, saw is a verb. Okay. The verb see is said to be in the present, and saw is in the past. Okay. So the two forms of see are see and saw. Okay. And it indicates the time. Yes, Yogesh, be on mute mode. Don't unmute yourself. Mute karo. Okay, when an action is taking place, okay, dono see hai, and you are seeing the two forms of verb, see and saw. Two forms are there, okay. Now the two forms of see, it indicates the time when an action takes place. ये time बता रहा है कि action कब हुआ, काम कब हुआ, okay, when the action took place, okay. So तो आप tense को क्या बोल सकते हो? Tense means when the verb changes its form, means see से जब saw हुआ, okay. When the verb changes the form, you can say that is a tense, means time. Tense means time, okay. So listen, the term tense refers to the way the verb changes its form, means see to saw to express its meaning. Suppose if somebody asks you, okay, there how many tenses are there, and you straight away say, yes, there are 12 tenses, okay. And one can ask you this thing, then what do you mean by tense? होता क्या है tense? Okay, होता क्या है tense? अगर आपने बोल दिया yes, there are present tense, future tense, ऐसे आपने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया. लेकिन एक कोई क्वेश्चन आपसे, one can ask you this question that what is the tense? होता क्या है tense? Okay, तो तुमने क्या बोलना है? Tense refers to the way, okay. Tense refers to the way yet in which verb changes its form, okay. Verb अपनी form change करता है, verb changes its form to express its meaning. So in English language there are two tenses, okay. main याद रखना है, in English language there are two tenses, present and past, okay. Present and past. There is no future tense in the English में, but हम क्या करते हैं? We use will and shall, okay, and we make it future tense. लेकिन see जैसे देखो बेटा, see ये present, saw past, okay. लेकिन two aspects more होते हैं. अब okay, ये बहुत deeply है, हम इसमें नहीं जाते हैं, अभी आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. We were doing about that 8 sentences we have done. हमने कर लिए थे 8 sentences. Okay.
Yes,
I told you. Okay, beta, I told you to change these sentences to passive voice. Have you done that? Have you done that?
Negative sentences.
Yes, ma'am. Have you done that? Negative कर लिए थे आपने. Have you done? Okay, let me take out my copy. Have you done that? First was the policeman catches the thief. Okay, your sentence was the policeman catches the thief. Okay, the policeman.
Ma'am, in negative sentence we write it.
Wait a minute, the policeman catches the thief. Now let me change it into negative sentence. Okay. I told you how to change affirmative sentence to negative. Here, where you have to use do not and does not. Okay. Rule we have discussed. I think we have discussed now. Beta, yes, ma'am. We have discussed. कुछ बोलना है. Okay. I told you that you will use subject. ठीक है. For negative sentence, rule for negative sentence, subject plus do not. Subject plus do not, does not, do not, does not, plus first form of verb plus first form of verb plus other words. Okay, other words, and you can say object also. Subject plus do not slash does not plus first form of verb and then other words. Okay, where you will use do not and does not. कहाँ आप do not use करोगे, कहाँ आप does not use करोगे. It depends on the subject. Okay, where you will use do not and does not, it all depends on the subject. If the subject is singular, the subject अकेला है, singular है, suppose Akshita, singular subject, then you will use does not. Okay, for singular subject, singular के लिए you will use does not, याद रखना. And for plural subject, plural, for plural you will use do not. Okay, does not is used with singular subject, he, she, it, or any singular subject. For that you will use does not. And with plural subject, I, we, you, they, you will use do not. Okay, the difference is clear. Where to use do not and does not, कहाँ आपने do not use करना है, कहाँ आपने does not use करना है. This is clear. This is clear. Yogesh, are you getting what I'm saying? Yogesh,
Yes,
Yogesh, you are a new student. Are you getting what I'm saying? मैं जो करवा रही हूँ समझ में आ रहा है कि
Yes,
फास्ट
ma'am.
तो नहीं लग रहा आपको, फास्ट तो
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
लग रहा आपको.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, Yogesh. Okay.
मैम एक बार बता दो does not कहाँ पे लगता है. मैम एक बार बता दो does not कहाँ पे लगता है.
Okay, I will say. Okay, I will tell. Look, beta. We are doing okay. We have started present definite tense. First of all, let me tell you this thing. We have started present definite tense. Okay. Now the present definite tense, the rule is subject plus first form of verb and then other words. Okay. One thing you have to remember that this is singular. Singular. He, she, it. Okay. और any singular. ठीक है. कोई भी होगा. He, she, it, any singular subject, you will use S and ES with first form of verb. Verb की first form के साथ S और ES you will add. Suppose Akshit laughs. ठीक है. Akshit laughs मैंने बोला. Akshit अकेला है, singular है. तो मैंने क्या किया? What I did? I have added S with laugh. Means first form of verb के साथ मैंने S add कर दिया. Akshit laughs. अक्षित हंसता है. Suppose अब अक्षित और तानिया they are two students. तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी? अक्षित and तानिया laugh. मैं ये I can't say this thing कि अक्षित and तानिया laughs. Plural है तो अक्षित and तानिया laugh. Okay. With plural we will not use S and ES और singular के साथ हम S और ES use करते हैं. तो in the same way negative में हम क्या करते हैं? अब singular है तो यानी does लगेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि सिंगुलर के साथ we use S and ES. तो आपने but you will use does not. और plural के साथ you know we need not to use the S and ES. So plural के साथ you will use do not. Okay. Singular के साथ does not and plural के साथ do not. Okay. Now your first sentence was the policeman catches the thief. Now you have to change this sentence to negative. Tanya, now tell me, Tanya, change the sentence to negative. Negative में change करो इसको. The policeman catches the thief. Negative. क्या होगा इसका negative?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, 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 Vriti.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you tell us that. Ma'am, you tell us that which each sentence we done in yesterday, we make sentences in negative.
I told, sorry,
मैम जो हमने 8 sentences बनाए थे उनके बनाने आपने हमें कल ये बोला था.
हम, and that was your homework ना, मैंने homework बोला था आपको करने के लिए. Same I am asking, if the policeman catches the thief, इसका negative में change करो. वृत्ति क्या होगा इसका आंसर?
The policeman the policeman does not catches the thief.
Ma'am, the policeman.
Ma'am, the
Wait a minute,
does not catch the thief.
wait a minute, I asked from वृत्ति. वृत्ति, negative में बनाओ इसको. वृत्ति.
Yes, ma'am. The policeman do not catch the thief.
The policeman does not. The policeman does not.
Catches.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the
Catches the thief.
Okay, there is a mistake with that. The policeman, okay, policeman is a singular. You know this is a singular, so does not will be there. The policeman does not, okay. अब catches नहीं आएगा, okay? क्यों? इसे es यहाँ चला गया. Okay, no first form of verb is used ना. अब इसका es here it comes. So how you will write? The policeman does not catch the thief. Catch the thief. Okay, got it? समझ में आया?
Yes,
समझ में आया? पहले ये बताओ.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? देखो does not था तो आपने catches में जो ये था वो यहाँ पर आ गया. Does not, okay? The policeman does not catch the thief. Okay, the policeman does not catch the thief. Second sentence was the stars shine in the sky. Priya, the stars shine in the sky.
Yes.
Stars shine in the sky.
Ma'am, the stars shining.
बेटा, the stars shine. Look, इसका mic on है. Whose mic is on? The stars shine in the sky. And now tell me, Priya, the stars shine in the sky. इसका क्या होगा? Change it to negative. The stars shine in the sky. Priya. Priya, the stars shine in the sky. Change it into negative. करो इसको negative में change.
The stars are not. The
The
stars
stars do not.
shine in the sky.
Okay, very good. The stars do not shine in the sky. Okay, the stars do not shine in the sky. Okay, now the third is, write down, the stars do not shine in the sky. Now the third was, I fly the kite daily, they plow the field. Okay, it means you can change. आपको समझ में आ गया how to change? समझ में आया? देखो बेटा, for changing up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो
Yes.
shall we move to interrogative sentence? Interrogative में चले?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think you can do. Okay, I think you can do. अब देखो बेटा, affirmative sentence was there and you change it into negative. Okay, for the negative sentence, you know, for plural we will not use. We will use do not, and for singular you will use does not. Okay, and es you will not add. It is already added here. Now interrogative sentence. Write down interrogative sentence. Interrogative.
Is it
Now,
rule?
okay, better. Interrogative sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences are those sentences in which, Ashima, what we do in interrogative sentences? Ashima,
Yes, ma'am.
what are interrogative sentences, Ashima? Ashima, what are interrogative sentences?
Ma'am, we put questions.
in which we put question, in which we ask questions, they are called interrogative. Okay, now write down the rule. Do, does. Okay, write down do, does plus subject. बस सेम वही होता है, एक बार जो रूल हो गया एफर्मेटिव में, बस वही रूल सारा चलता है. Do, does, subject plus first form of verb and then other words, and in the last you will put the question mark. Okay, because it is an interrogative sentence. Do, does plus subject plus first form of verb and then other words. Okay, sentences were the same. Sentences वही हैं आपके. Write down the sentences. Write down the sentences. क्या अब now I have to tell in a Hindi. Okay, then you will translate it into interrogative sentences. क्या वो मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? Write down. क्या वे मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? You have to translate this sentence to interrogative sentence.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Raktan?
रक्तदान means a donation of blood donate करना, that is called रक्तदान. क्या वे मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? Same sentences. क्या आसमान में, बेटा listen, you can leave one line. Okay, क्या वे मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? Leave one line. Next sentence. क्या आसमान में सितारे चमकते हैं? Leave one line.
Ma'am, repeat the sentence.
सेम सेंटेंस. क्या वे मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? क्वेश्चन मार्क. लीव वन लाइन. क्या आसमानी सितारे चमकते हैं? लीव वन लाइन. क्या कुछ लड़के नदी में स्नान करते हैं? अगेन लीव वन लाइन. लेट मी सी यू आर राइटिंग और नॉट. नेक्स्ट. क्या एक लड़की टोकरियां बेचती है? Leave one line. क्या सिपाही चोर को पकड़ता है? Leave one line. क्या वे खेत जोतते हैं? Leave one line. क्या लड़कियां अपना गृह कार्य अच्छी प्रकार करती हैं? Leave one line. क्या प्रधानमंत्री जी स्टेज पर भाषण देते हैं? लीव वन लाइन. क्या अक्षित अपना समय बर्बाद करता है? क्या अक्षित अपना समय बर्बाद करता है? इफ यू डोंट वांट टू राइट अक्षित नेम, यू कैन राइट योर ओन नेम. क्या प्रत्युष अपना समय बर्बाद करता है? क्या अक्षित अपना समय बर्बाद करती है? ओके, यू कैन राइट योर ओन नेम ऑल्सो. ओके, हाउ मेनी सेंटेंसेस आर देयर अक्षिता? Akshita, how many sentences are there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
How many sentences are there now? कितने sentences हुए?
Ma'am, can you repeat sentences?
7.
7. Okay, one more sentence. क्या मेरा भाई क्रेडिट कार्ड रखता है? क्या मेरा भाई क्रेडिट कार्ड रखता है? बेटा लिसन, अब मैंने सेंटेंसेस लिए, आप यू कैन टेक योर ओन सेंटेंसेस आल्सो. ठीक है, कल वाले सेंटेंसेस यू कैन टेक. नाउ बेटा डू एंड डज you will use. Okay, 5 minutes, 3 minutes I'm giving to you, and then I will ask from you. 3 minutes I'm giving to you.
Sentences.
Beta, you have to change these sentences to interrogative sentences. Okay, 5 minutes are with you. Try to change these sentences. Beta, don't ask me. क्या वे मरीजों को रक्तदान करते हैं? क्या आसमान में सितारे चमकते हैं? क्या कुछ लड़के नदी में स्नान करते हैं? क्या एक लड़की टोकरियां बेचती है? क्या सिपाही चोर को पकड़ता है? क्या वे खेत जोतते हैं? क्या लड़कियां अपना गृह कार्य अच्छे प्रकार करती हैं? क्या प्रधानमंत्री जी स्टेज पर भाषण देते हैं? क्या मेरा भाई क्रेडिट कार्ड रखता है? ओके, now listen beta, this is your homework. Okay, yesterday I will discuss. Okay, now beta, this is the rule of interrogative sentences. Okay, now interrogative sentences, one more sentence I want to discuss with you. Okay, time bachega, I will ask. Next is one more is there, that is negative interrogative. ये third था, ये fourth है. Negative interrogative. Okay. Negative interrogative sentence. Okay. Now see its rule. Negative interrogative. First was affirmative, second was negative, third was interrogative, and fourth is negative interrogative sentence. चार हो गए. Affirmative, negative, interrogative, and last is negative interrogative sentence. Okay. Write down the rule. Do, does, plus subject, plus not. Do, does, plus subject, plus not, plus first form of verb and then other words, and in the last question mark will be there. बस ये 4 आपके थे. ठीक है. Write down this rule. अब इसको उतारो, then I will explain it with the example. Okay. तब तुम्हें चारों sentences they will be more clear to you. Yogesh and Daksh, please write down. Okay. Write down.
Yes, ma'am.
लिख रहे हैं.
Okay. Now beta, I'm explaining it with an example. Okay. फिर आपको ये चारों clear हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. आपसे I will ask from you. देखो बेटा, जैसे आपने भी ऐसा बनाना है affirmative. Okay. Affirmative. यहाँ लिखो negative. आगे लिखो interrogative. INTERR. Interrogative. And in the last write down negative interrogative sentence. Okay. Affirmative, negative, interrogative, and in the last negative interrogative. My board is visible to you or not? First of all, tell me this thing. Board is clearly visible, or shall I turn on the light?
Ma'am, board clearly.
Pratyush, what happened? Affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative, and negative interrogative. Rules we have discussed. Now come to this thing. Suppose in affirmative, I seen is there. Okay. I seen is there. And in negative, Pratyush, what it will become in negative? I sing is an affirmative sentence. Okay, it is an affirmative. So change it into negative. पूरा बोलो sentence. Do not आएगा. क्यों I subject कुछ नहीं आएगा. पूरा बोलो इसको. Read the whole sentence. I sing. What will come in the negative?
I do not sing.
Wait a minute. Listen. Nobody will give the answer. Only Pratyush will give the answer. Pratyush, what will become its negative? I sing. Negative. Change it into negative. बेटा जल्दी करो, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर ये तुम्हें आ गया, तुम्हें सारा आ जाएगा प्रेजेंट टेंस. Akshita, red dress. Akshita, I sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा change it to negative. I think Akshita, there is some network issue. Akshita, negative क्या होगा इसका बेटा? Arav Rana, Akshita, there is some. Arav Rana.
Ma'am, can Anshika tell?
This is your turn. Listen, Anshika, listen, other students. Your turn will come, okay? Arav Rana. Change it into negative.
Yes, ma'am.
I think nothing is clearly audible. Sejal, 3295. Sejal.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, change it into negative. Sejal. I sing. Unmute your microphone.
Ma'am, I sing do not.
ऐसे कैसे बोलोगे? आप do not बोल दोगे डायरेक्ट, कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am,
Listen this
I
thing.
do not sing.
Listen this thing. Remember rules clearly, okay? घर में revise करो rules को, otherwise तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आएगा. Last में पहुंच जाओगे तुम, you will not be able to give this answer, okay? Rules रोज देखो तब learn होता है, ऐसे learn नहीं होते हैं कि तुम सोचो एक ही दिन में हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. I think negative में क्या बनेगा? Very good. Sejal, I think change it into negative.
Ma'am, I do not sing.
Very good. I do not. Write down ऐसे लिखना है आपने. I do not say. Interrogative में interrogative. Tell about its interrogative. Interrogative में करो इसको change. Sejal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Priya can tell.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
I
wait.
can.
Wait a minute. Sejal, change it into interrogative.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I will write.
Now tell me, have you written? Have you written? Okay, Vritti. Actually, time is going to be over. Time is going to be over, so I'm in a hurry. Okay. Vritti.
Why I sing?
Ma'am, is she sing?
Yogesh, be on mute mode. Don't disturb the class. Let me see.
Ma'am, is she
Is
sing?
on. Again and again, disturbance is being
Ma'am,
created.
is she sing?
Arav Rana, be on mute mode. Arushi, Ayush, Munish Kumar, turn on your cameras. Shiv Thakur, Shivam Singh Rajput, Shranav, Sunita Kumar, ये सब कैमरा बंद करके बैठे हुए हैं, मजे से बैठे हुए हैं. आयुष, मुनीश कुमार, शरणव ने तो पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है ना बस. ये तो पक्का हो गया. शरणव जो पढ़ता था, जरा नहीं पढ़ता ये लड़का, तो क्लास को लीव करके चला गया बस. मार्क्स देखो तो क्या मार्क्स आते हैं. वृत्ति, चेंज इट टू इंटरोगेटिव बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is she sing song? Ma'am,
ये
is
स्लैप,
she?
एक मिनट वेट. ये स्लैप है ना, ये मैंने आपसे सेंड की है. कैच इट एंड ग्रैब करो, इसको पेस्ट कर लो अपने फेस पर. इस मैंने बताया आपको.
Ma'am, मैम आपने is she नहीं बताया है.
तो फिर आप कैसे इज लगा रहे हो? देख लो अपना हाल, देख लो आपने क्या पढ़ा, देख लो अपना हाल, क्या हाल है आपका. एवरीबॉडी
Sing a song.
I sing. Aravana, be on mute mode, beta. I do not sing. In interrogative, it will be. Do I sing?
Ma'am, do I? Ma'am,
Do I
do I?
sing? अब देख लो अपना हाल, कुछ नहीं आया तुम्हें. नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव में डू आई नॉट सिंग, डू आई नॉट सिंग. अब ये था बस, इसमें कितनी देर लगी. अगर तुम्हें आता तो घर में रिवाइज किया तो 2 मिनट में तुम बता सकते थे मैम आई सिंग, आई डू नॉट सिंग, डू आई सिंग, डू आई नॉट सिंग, बस हो गया. आशिमा 1420. आशिमा.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो इसको बताओ. He sing. This is affirmative. Change to negative. जल्दी जल्दी करना है. Hurry up.
Ma'am, he do not sing.
He.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Ma'am, he does not sing.
Yes, he does not sing. Because he is a singular. He does not sing. He sings, he does not sing.
Ma'am, does he sing?
Very good. Does he sing?
हम laughing.
Negative interrogative बोलो.
Ma'am, does he not sing?
Does he
Ma'am,
not
does
sing? बस इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम हुई? Does he not sing? कोई हुई प्रॉब्लम आपको इसमें? Okay. Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Arushi, you will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Children, listen. Children sing patriotic songs. Children sing patriotic songs. Patriotic means देशभक्ति. Children sing patriotic songs. Change into negative. Negative में क्या होगा इसका?
Ma'am, children sing.
Children sing patriotic songs. अब children are plural, so I have used sing. I have not used sings. Children sing patriotic songs. Negative क्या होगा इसका? What will be
Ma'am, I
negative?
can.
Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Network issue is there. I think. Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush, now tell me negative. करो इसको negative में change.
Ma'am, children do not sing patriotic song. Ma'am,
Very good.
children.
Negative. Children do not sing patriotic song. Okay. Interrogative, Pratyush. Pratyush, interrogative.
Do children sing patriotic song?
Very good. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative बताओ बेटा.
Do not children sing patriotic song?
Do children not sing patriotic song? Okay. Up now tell me this is clear. देखो बेटा affirmative. Negative में you have to use subject plus do not, does not plus first form of verb. Interrogative do and does will come before the subject. Okay. Rule is same. And in negative interrogative again do and does will come before the subject and the subject will be followed by not. Okay. Subject के बाद क्या आएगा? Not आएगा. This was your present definite tense. Anything you want to answer related with present definite tense? Anything which is not clear? देखो बेटा, in present definite tense we always use first form of verb. Okay. Tomorrow we will do past indefinite tense. So listen, present definite tense को please revise this tense at your homes. Okay. Present definite tense, listen this thing. These sentences ends with ta hai, ti hai, te hai. ये भी एक रूल होता है. Okay. It represents, but I told you, it represents universal actions, habitual actions, and the fact which is true at the time of speaking.
Tomorrow
Okay.
we will do present continuous tense.
Yes, tomorrow we will do past indefinite tense. Now, in present indefinite tense, first form of verb is used. Means go, went, gone, you will use go. Write, wrote, written, you will use write. Okay. जो first आता है. First form of verb is used. Okay. Singular is for with singular subject we use s and es. Okay. With first form of verb. बस ये था. और anything you want to ask?